back to my channel. So today we are headed to a fun place in Pune, and this is a beautiful, gorgeous hotel. So we are going there for the weekend, which is going to be like a staycation. So it's a weekend escapade. It's traveling with the family and kids. Do stay tuned. I'm going to show you around the entire hotel. You know how it's to travel with the kids, whether it's travel friendly or not. And if you're from Bombay or Pune, why is the destination good for you guys to visit on the weekend? Let me show you one of those places where you can go for the winter and enjoy with kids. Bombay Pune today has been a breeze. It's been empty. The roads, apart from a 10-minute congestion, I think everything else was very good. So if you're planning around the weekend, which ideally you should, leave earlier, leave around 8 o'clock so that that little bit of congestion also does not hit. And stay tuned to our stories. We are going to be showing you our rooms, we're going to be showing you the food, and we are also going to be showing you what all you can do with family.
Let's go.
We are here, we are checking into JW Marriott in Pune for a staycation for this weekend. We are finally in JW Marriott in Pune, and they have given us such a beautiful suite, and because of the 2 kids we've got connecting rooms. For the kids, so you have to see the size of this room, which is as huge as the main suite.
What?
And the best part is there are 3 separate beds for the kids. Look at that! Isn't that gorgeous, with a gorgeous view? And oh my god, such a lovely bathroom for the kids. तो अगर आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ चेक इन कर रहे हो और आप उधर स्वीट में हो, वो जो दरवाजा है, that is the connecting door to the kids room. So basically there is no stress that the kids are left alone or how will they enter. This is your own private little 4 BHK flat.
Guys, this is mine and Ivan's room.
Wow!
So we got this band, this cute band. We'll get a free gelato with this. How cool is that? Next, we have these currencies, which we can pick up any one item from this junior menu. And you can pay for this for the same with this currency. Look,
this is this beautiful setup JW Marriott ne kiya hai. They have mentioned their own very sweet message for us, and this is something that they'd organize for the weekends for families coming together, because it's more like a business hotel. But now with such things and superb activities planned towards the entire day, I will take you around. It is amazing. So thank you so much.
I'm going down the sweet, sweet cream. Oh, let's do
Spice Factory for lunch today, and it's an Asian cuisine restaurant. So as you can see behind me, they've also arranged for some fun activities for the kids to be entertained while we are eating lunch. So there's a mini hurdle ball place, then there's a mini golf. Then there are a lot of activities in the middle also that you can see for the kids that they've planned while the parents enjoy dinner. So there's something that is happening every day on the weekend for the kids. So if you're looking at a nice place for a staycation, I would say head to JW Marriott in Pune. They take a lot of care for the kids, for you as well. So the hospitality is mind-blowing. And as you can see, there's different stuff planned for us on different days. I would say take the package of the weekend, which is like a weekend staycation at JW Marriott in Pune. I'm at PBC, which is JW Marriott's in-house cafe. It is superb. So I have to show you this. They have their own JW garden, which grows all the herbs that you find in their drinks and food. For example, come with me. See there, this is the JW garden. See the kind of herbs growing. For example, there's coffee, there's colcasia. Then we also have aloe vera, lemongrass, but see this huge spread of the garden. And I want to show you something special. So they have like a high tea done for us today with the kids, right? Here, strawberry and cream, fresh from the season by the PBC Cafe, JW Marriott, Pune. Look at that. Shania, take a bite and tell us how it is.
Yeah.
I mean, this looks fab. Oh, yum. And we have this coffee. I ordered a cappuccino. They've given me something to eat with that. But before that, cleanse your palate with this soda, which is super setup, super place. So now we are heading back home. हम लोग बॉम्बे जा रहे हैं. पुणे में हमने weekend escapade किया है, which is at a luxury hotel, JW Marriott Pune. It is amazing. इनका ये weekend specific offer है with families and kids. So you get chefs curated lunches, dinners at various restaurants. There are 4 in-house restaurants. There are various discounts also if you want to use any services. And ये लोग specially बच्चों के लिए activities plan करते हैं during the evening. So there's so much to do. हम लोग बाहर पूना we couldn't explore because अंदर hotel में ही इतनी चीजें हम लोगों ने की. So I would suggest that whoever is thinking of, you know, going for a staycation, instead of traveling anywhere, do head to JW Marriott Pune, and trust me, kids and families, you will have a blast.